What up? Castles and beer!
A bumbling tourist UK adventure vlog series.
What up, Scott Monument?
What up, James? Are you ready to step up a lot of steps? Hallway.
Tight quarters.
Why is it a quarter? Because it's a quarter of your size.
What up, Scott Monument?
All I can see is blackness. There's no way you can pass here. There goes the butt. Yeah, that was intense. Past 6 people in a space made for half a person. I can only imagine what it was like for you. Level over 2, right?
Yeah.
I don't know how much narrower the stairs can get before we are chubby little sausages.
More open because there's fence.
That's true.
We'll walk around first.
Yeah. Whoa. That's gorgeous. What kind of magic? Whoa. That is magic. Look at that castle.
Edinburgh Castle. There's a cool pokey thing there. I'm gonna take a picture of it.
The final layer. It's a little nerve-wracking.
Video. This is ridiculously high up.
I could look down, but I don't dare. Oh, I'm going cross-eyed looking down. That's not fun. And his look-alike. Nah, he's better looking.
I'm crumpled in half though. Might as well. That's messed up.
We got beautifully sunny suddenly, eh? It looks really, really good. We found the Hogwarts Express.
Seen better days.
No, it hasn't. So hard to see. We're wandering around Dean's Village, but we got here a little bit after dark, so Yeah, I'm assuming this place will be absolutely gorgeous during the day. But it's pretty beautiful at night too.
Be a great place to play poo sticks.
Yeah, it would be a great place to play poo sticks. Yeah, I kind of doubt this shows up at all, but if it does, it'll be cool.
So, this is our last night in Edinburgh. We're gonna leave you nice folk here.
Yeah,
Thank you so much for watching.
yeah, I hope you enjoy the next city,
Yeah.
which will be York. And we'll head there tomorrow morning.
Off to England.
Yeah.
Please like if you like. It would mean a lot to us if you could subscribe. And yeah, just thanks.
Take luck.
Yeah, cheers to you.
What up, William Bros? Ginger beer? Gingerific!
What a red rye raspberry sour.
What up, Brewdog Elvis Juice Grapefruit Infused IPA? Wow, that's really good.